Hello guys, welcome to Coin FX Academy. Many people see our videos but don't subscribe our channel and don't join our Telegram group. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, when you subscribe, you got new videos notification. If you don't subscribe, you never get this. Okay, in this video, I will reveal my best VIP strategy. So let's get started. In main chart we have two indicators. First one is moving average and second one is Bollinger Bands. Moving average period is 10, shift is 0, method linear weight, apply to weighted close HLCC /4, color whatever color you want, you set this. Okay, done. Second one is Bollinger Bands. Period is 5, deviation 0.500, shift is 0, apply to previous indicator data. Style 4 pixel, color any color if you want. Okay, after you set this, your main chart looks like. Okay, your main chart looks like this. Okay, next we go to indicator Windows 1. First, in indicator Windows 1 we have three indicator. First one is relative strength index, second one is MACD, and third one is moving average. First one, relative strength index. Period is 1, apply to close, style 1 pixel, color your background color. If your background color is black, it should be black. If your background color is white, it should be white. Levels 91, 90, 89, 11, 10, 9, 50. 91 we set our channel name, and 9 is FX trades, forex trades. 50 your TP1, style 3 pixel red. Then done. Second one is MACD. Fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to close, style main 4 pixel red, signal is 1 pixel and its color is your background color. Then done. Third one is moving average. Period 5, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 4 pixel, color yellow, and then done. When you set these, your chart should be like this. Okay, your main chart should be like this, and your window 1 should be like this. You already know that how to enter in the market. I remind it. When this MACD graph and this yellow line touch our overbought area, and this white line also cross our MACD lines, and below 20 you enter in the market. And how to exist when this white line touch our 80, it's for crash. We go to boom now. See, sorry, sorry. See, here our MA and MACD graphs touch our oversold area, and this white line also cross this MACD line at above 80. It's our sell signal, but we must check in main chart our yellow MA cross our Bollinger Band. We enter in the market. And how to exist when in window 2 our white line touch 20, it's safety for us. Okay, so we go to our window 2 settings. Okay, in window 2 we have MACD and a stochastic oscillator. In window 2 we have stochastic oscillator, MACD 7. We have in window 2 we have stochastic oscillator and 7 MACD. Okay, first we go to stochastic oscillator. In stochastic oscillator, percent K period is 1, percent D period is 1, slowing is 1, price field low slash high, method simple, style main 1 pixel, color your background color, signal is also 1 pixel, color your background color. In levels we have 3 levels. First one is 80, second one is 20, and third one is 50. 80 is strong sell, 20 is strong buy, 50 is TP. And style 1 pixel, color it's opposite of your background color. If your background is black, its color should be white. If your background is white, its color should be black. Then done. Then second we have go to MACD. First MACD. In fast MACD we have fast EMA 36, slow EMA 15, MACD SMA 9, apply to typical price HLC/3. Style main 1 pixel, it's black. If your background is white, it's also white. In signal 4 pixel, color red, labels no labels. Then done. In second MACD we have fast EMA 37, slow EMA 16, MACD SMA 10, apply to typical price HLC 3. Style main 1 pixel is black, signal 4 pixel red, labels no labels. Then done. In third MACD, fast EMA 35, slow EMA 14, MACD SMA is 8, apply to typical price HLC/3. Main in styles main 1 pixel black, signal 4 pixel red, labels no labels. Then done. We have already done 3 MACD. Next we go to our 4 MACD. But we remind you, when you set this main chart setting, first you set this moving average. If you not set this moving average first, you will never apply Bollinger Band like this. Okay, like this. You never apply Bollinger Band like this. First you set this yellow line, this MA, yellow MA. Then you set Bollinger Band. It's look like this. Otherwise it's not look like this. Okay, remind it. Now we go to our 4 MACD because we already cover our 3 MACD. In 4 MACD, fast EMA is 15, slow EMA is 36, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to typical price HLC 3. Style main 1 pixel is black, signal 4 pixel is yellow. In labels, no labels. Then done. In 5th MACD, fast EMA is 16, slow EMA is 37, MACD SMA is 10. Apply to typical price HLC 3. Style main 1 pixel is black, signal 4 pixel white, labels no labels. Then done. We have already done our first MACD, second MACD, third MACD, fourth MACD, fifth MACD. Okay, next we go to our sixth MACD. Okay, let's go. In our sixth MACD, fast EMA is 14, slow EMA is 35, MACD SMA is 8. Apply to typical price HLC/3. Style 1 pixel, main 1 pixel black, signal 4 pixel white, labels no labels. Then done. In now we go to our last MACD. This is very much important. In last MACD we have fast EMA is 15, slow EMA is 36, MACD SMA is 1. Apply to typical price HLC/3. Style main 1 pixel is black, signal 4 pixel white. If your background is black, it should be white. If your background is white, it should be black. Labels no labels. Then done. If you set all this, your chart should look like this. Okay, in our strategy you will definitely win, definitely 100% win. Thank you. We'll next see you in next video. Thank you.